Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up your Roku Streaming Stick 4K. From unboxing and connecting the device to your TV, to pairing the remote and connecting to Wi-Fi, we cover everything you need to know to get started. Whether you're setting up Roku for the first time or need help with the setup, this easy-to-follow tutorial will have you streaming your favorite shows and movies in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the Roku Streaming Stick 4K box, you'll find the Roku Streaming Stick itself, designed to plug directly into your TV's HDMI port. The box also includes a USB power cable with a long-range wireless receiver, a power adapter for plugging the stick into a wall outlet, and a Roku Voice remote with batteries. Additionally, there's a quick start guide to help with setup. First of all, plug the Roku stick directly into an available HDMI port on your TV. Make sure it's securely connected. If your TV's HDMI ports are hard to reach, you can use an HDMI extender, often available separately. Power the stick. Use the included USB cable to power the stick. Plug one end into the Roku and the other into either a USB port on your TV or the provided wall adapter. It's recommended to use the adapter for stable power. Using your TV's remote, switch the input source to the HDMI port where the Roku is connected. This can be done via the input or source button on your TV remote, where you'll see the available HDMI channels. On-screen prompt: once on the right HDMI input, you should see the Roku logo appear, followed by a welcome screen. Open the battery compartment on the Roku remote and insert the included AA or AAA batteries. The remote should automatically pair with the Roku stick when the batteries are inserted. If it doesn't, you'll need to manually pair it. Press and hold the pairing button located in the battery compartment of the remote for about 5 seconds, or until you see the pairing light start flashing. Follow the on-screen instructions. The Roku will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home network from the list. Using the on-screen keyboard, enter your Wi-Fi password. Take care to ensure it's entered correctly. The Roku will test the connection and let you know if it successfully connects to the internet. If there's an issue, ensure you are within Wi-Fi range and check your router settings. Once connected to the internet, Roku will check for software updates. If an update is available, it will automatically download and install it. This may take a few minutes. After updates, the Roku will restart automatically, and you'll be directed back to the setup process. On your TV screen, you'll be given a code. Visit Roku's website on a computer or phone, roku.com/link, and either sign into your existing Roku account or create a new one. Enter the code shown on your TV. Roku may ask you to choose channels to install or services to link, like Netflix, Hulu, etc., based on your preferences. Once your account is linked, your Roku will automatically install the channels you selected during the account setup. You can add or remove channels later from the home screen. After completing these steps, your Roku Streaming Stick 4K should be fully set up and ready to stream. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.